Hello everyone, welcome to the Savvy Professor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset Tinder swipes. First, open your Tinder application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to this page where you can find your potential matches. Here, you can swipe left if you are not interested in this profile or swipe right if you are interested. Now, if you wish to reset all your swipes on Tinder, the only way that you can do is by deleting your account and have a fresh start. To accomplish that, just tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner. In this page, access the account settings by tapping on this gear icon at the top right. Once you are here, swipe up and at the bottom, you can now see this delete account button. Simply tap on it. Here, proceed by selecting this delete my account option. In this page, choose this I want a fresh start and then select your reason. After that, tap on continue to account deletion. Finally, delete your account and reset your Tinder swipes by tapping on this delete my account button. After successfully deleting your account, you can reactivate it. Upon reactivation, you will notice that your swipes had been reset within the application. However, it is essential to remember to wait at least a day before reactivating your account. Reactivating it too quickly, especially within a few minutes, may lead to a potential shadow ban in the application. So that's it. That's how you can reset Tinder swipes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching!